بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So in generation 2, the generation after the companions, there were 6 scholars who were known as Mudarul Hadith. There were 6 scholars, all the isnads of hadith pretty much went through them. So they were the major vessels of teaching hadith. So these are the great scholars of every single city. So 2 of them were blind. 2 of the 6 Madar al-Hadith, the greatest scholars, they were blind. One of them, and I'll mention one of them, Al-Qasim ibn Muhammad ibn Abi Bakr as-Siddiq radiyallahu anhu. So his name was Al-Qasim. He was the grandson of Abu Bakr. He was the grandson of Abu Bakr. He was a nephew of Aisha radiyallahu anha. So he was one of the strongest students of Aisha radiyallahu anha, al-Mu'mineen. So the fiqh of Aisha radiyallahu anha, the hadith of Aisha, is contained by a number of people. One of them is Al-Qasim, her nephew, Al-Qasim ibn Muhammad ibn Abi Bakr. So he was Madar al-Hadith. He's also one of the 7 fuqaha of Medina. So in fiqh, you had 7 teachers that were the premier people of fiqh in Medina. If you had questions in Medina in this lifetime, there were 7 people they turned to. So one of them was Al-Qasim ibn Muhammad ibn Abi Bakr, who we talked about. And another one was Abu Bakr ibn Abdurrahman ibn al-Harith. Both of them were blind. So this was so incredible. Umar bin Abdul Aziz, the Khalifa, he said about Al-Qasim, he said, if I had authority in the matter, I would make the Khalifa the blind man of Banu Taym. And he was talking about Al-Qasim. So this, imagine the Khalifa, Umar bin Abdul Aziz, the great Khalifa, he said, he expressed his desire to appoint Al-Qasim as the Imam of all the Muslims despite him being blind. So this shows you their stand. These are the fuqaha of Medina. The Madar al-Hadith, the 6 Madar al-Hadith, there are 2 of them also that were blind. One of them was Qatada, and one of them was Abu Ishaq al-Sabiri. Qatada was a great scholar as well, and he was so knowledgeable that most people came to study hadith from him. He took hadith from Sa'id ibn al-Musayyib, who was the son-in-law of Abu Huraira in Medina. So he came to Medina, and he was from Kufa. He came to Medina to study, and he learned all the hadith that he had in 4 days. And Sa'id ibn al-Musayyib, he put his hand on his chest and he said, leave me, O blind one. You took all my hadith and you didn't leave any for me. So in 4 days, he learned all the hadith of Sa'id ibn al-Musayyib, who was married to the daughter of Abu Huraira, and he was blind. So this is an example of what positions, leadership positions that Muslims attain despite their disabilities.